Welcome back, student. Now the second session going to be start. Here we will discuss about as I tell you people, use of social media to improve customer service. Okay. In a past, companies relied heavily on their market research and the customer services organization to provide them with the insight into the what customer think about their product and services. That are one of a marketing concept and consider it a much important because that is a valuable information about the product and services that our customer are using and comments about your product. But the many consumer goods companies put toll free 800 phone number on their product so that consumer could call in and speak with the trained customer services represented to the share their comments and complaints. Okay. Increasingly, nowadays customers are using social network to share their experiences, both good and bad, with others. And the old as a happy customer tell a few people, and an unhappy customer tell everyone. Have never been rude. In 2012 study found that 46% of internet user had used social network to express their frustration with poor product or services. Customer also use social network to seek advice on how to use the product more effectively and how to deal with the special situation encountered when using the product. Okay, that is some valuable information by using the social media to improve the customer services. Now, further, I'm talking that many companies are focusing and using more resources to monitor the issues and assistant customer via social networking. One of the major challenges with the effort to the uh, filtering the few nuggets of the actionable data from the volume of uh, chatter and converting these to finding into useful business action. There's a few some example in next slide we will discuss here. Two different examples of the companies whose effort have been affecting the in this area. Like JetBlue has a customer service group that monitor Twitter on 24/7 basis and respond immediately to tweet about operational problem. For example, a social media monitor will call gate agent to suggest more information be announced if a customer tweet about a lack of information regarding to flight delay. In 2029, JM formed a new customer service center including $5 call center that communicate with over 25,000 dealers and customer each day. This team also searches about the firm and its product and offering the solution to problem when possible. Similarly, Everyday Dell use social media monitoring tool to track some 25,000 social media conversation that mentioning the brand, and the company participates in a many of these conversation as possible. Okay, that is the example of a Dell before it GM and the JetBlue. That is a number of example I'm sharing you people that social media will be improve the customer services. Okay. Now I'm talking about the social shopping websites. Social shopping website combine two highly popular online activity, shopping and social networking. Okay. Social shopping website combine two highly popular online activity, shopping and Social networking. Social shopping website member can typically build their own pages to collect the information and photo about the item in which they are interested. A social shopping website Stuffed has implemented a rewarded system for member in which they are paid a commission each time another shopper act on their recommendation to purchase a specific item. Most social shopping websites generate revenue through the retailer advertising. Some also earn money by the sharing with the retailer data about their members like and disliking. Okay, that's a depend. But the social shopping website are using for just normally small to small business or maybe starting with 2 and 3 product and services. But with using the social media website, he can easily basically advertising and budget become a retailer and the next it will be compensate. Okay, that is the social shopping websites. Now, there is some ethical issues that we will discuss about regard of this lesson notes, like cyber network ethical issues. Cyber network ethical issues when you have a community to 10 of million of users. Not everyone is going to be a good neighbor and abide by the rules of community. Many will be stretched or exceeded the bound of generally accepted behavior. Some common ethical issue that will be raised from member of a social networking website. Okay, that is the cyberbullying, cyber stalking, encounter with the sexual predators, and uploading of inappropriate materials. That is the something that I will discuss. First is the cyberbullying. What is the concept of cyberbullying? That's the and what is form. Cyberbullying is the student is a that's harassment, torment, humiliation, or threatening of a one minor by another minor or a group of minors via the internet or a cell phone. Based on a former survey of a 50,000 middle and the high school children, it is estimated that as many of 25% of the teenagers have experienced cyberbullying in their lifetime. Cyberbullying has sometimes become so intense that some children have committed to suicide as a result. Friend of a 16 years old Florida girl who hanged herself in a late 2012 said that it was due to the cyberbullying on a social networking website. That is some different cases we need to be faced and harmful for the people. Okay, and now the cyberbullying form in which category you will be considered as a cyberbullying. Okay, and the court and the normally the authority will be protect yourself. Okay, you are faced to the these kind of thing. First, if you are sending the mean spirited or the threatening messages to the victim, that is the wrong thing. You didn't need to be send any type of this message. If you receive, it's meaning that the person is cyberbullying you. Sending thousands of text messages to the victim to just for the cell phone and the running up the bill. A huge cell phone bill. And third is the impersonate the victim and sending the inappropriate message to others. Okay. Further, stealing the victim password and modifying his and her profile in including the research homophobic, sexual and other inappropriate data that often other or attract the attention of undesirable people. It is also a cyberbullying form. Posting memes personal or false information about the victim in a cyberbullying blog or a social networking page. Other cyberbullying form is a creating a website or a social networking profile whose purpose is to humiliate or threaten the victim. Taking inappropriate photo of the victim and entire posting them online or sending them to the other via cell phone. Setting up the internet poll to the illicit responses to embracing the questions such as the who the biggest geek and Miss Adam homeroom. Who is the biggest loser in the senior class? That is something different example, an appropriate message while playing the uninteractive game and enabling the participating communicating with one another. That is all are included the cyberbullying form. Okay. Okay, class. That's the session 2 and going to be end. And in further session, we will discuss on different other social social networking ethical issue. Okay. Allah Hafiz for this session.